Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's start a new discussion on CSS text transformation. The CSS text transformation property is going to be used, and we are going to be exploring it in deep manner so you guys can understand it very well. The CSS text transformation property is used to specify uppercase and lowercase letters in a text. It can be used to turn everything into uppercase or lowercase letters, or capitalize the first letter of each word. What this means is that we can use it to capitalize the first letter of each word, like this thing you are seeing right here. So I'm going to be showing you how a brief introduction to it again. Can you see this place right here? We are having these words, these long words. Some are having lowercase letters, and this first word right here is having capital letter. The same thing occurs here, but right here, these three text is having capital letter. But this one, the first is starting with capital letter. The first starts with capital letter. These two things starts with capital letter. But all this one is lowercase letter. So those are the things we are going to be manipulating. We are going to be doing in this playlist. Please, I want you guys to stay focused and stay tuned. And once again, we are going to find this all this in our CSS text transformation playlist, just for you guys to be able to follow along easily. That's why I'm adding all these kind of things here, because it's very important. You can check our CSS text decoration playlist in the previous tutorial where we discussed about a lot of things. That's where we got all these kind of things. But right now we are on our CSS text tag transformation playlist. I want you guys to stay tuned and stay focused. Anwar akorede is my name. Once again, I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until the next.